Question 16 is 4 marks. The question says make t the subject of this formula. You can pause the video and try it yourself. So to make t the subject, we need the t to be on one side and everything else on the other side. How do we do that? Whenever you have such fraction, this setting, add one here which doesn't make any change, right? And then do the cross multiplication. Multiply this time this and this time that. So t squared plus 3 times 1 is just t squared plus 3. That's equals c times 7 minus 8t squared is I'll just write the c first. It's c and then times 7 minus 8t squared. That's good. Now expand these brackets on the right side. So the t squared plus 3 stays. C times 7 is 7c. Minus c times 8t squared is 8ct squared. That's very good. Now we need the t's to be together. So what I will do, I'll do plus 8ct squared here, plus 8ct squared there. Why? To cancel this. This is gone. Now what I will do is I'll also do minus 3 here and minus 3 here. Why? To make the t's in one side. So the 3's come there. Now let's rewrite this down. On the left side, I just have t squared plus 8ct squared equals 7c minus 3. We can't do anything. Some students say it's 4c. No, it's just 7c minus 3. If it was 7c minus 3c, then you can say it's 4c. But these doesn't look alike, okay? Now what do I do to make it the subject? I'll take t squared as a common factor on the left side. I'll take this out. So let's t squared out. What will be left here if we take t squared out is 1. Another mistake students do is they think it's 0. It's not, because we are just dividing by t squared. So t squared divided by t squared is 1. Plus, if we take this t squared out, we'll have 8c left here, equals to 7c minus 3. Now what I will do is I'll divide by this, because if you remember, we just want the t's to be alone. So divide by 1 plus 8c. Now this is gone to the other side. Now I have t squared equals 7c minus 3 divided by 1 plus 8c. We don't want t squared, we just want t. What do? We take the square root for both sides. The square root cancels the 2. So we have t equals root 7c minus 3 divided by 1 plus 8c. This is a full mark, and it's very important to add plus or minus here to get the full mark. And that's your 4 marks. Now, how was this question? Was it easy? Oh, differentiation. That's fun.